Hi guys! Welcome to Nurse Marian channel. I'm here to share on how to properly wash your hands. Okay guys, hand washing with soap and water is performed when your hands are visibly dirty and if you don't have any hand sanitizer with us. Our hands easily accumulates or easily get germs, viruses, and bacteria. Now guys, I'm going to share you a video on how to properly wash our hands by the use of soap and water. Watch for this. That's it guys. We can also include washing our wrists and arms if you want to, especially if it's dirty. So to make it sure guys that our hands are really clean, we should practice hand washing technique. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, and also don't forget to click like.
Oh no!
Don't forget to click like and subscribe, and also click the bell button. Ting! Thank you so much everyone for watching me. See you soon guys. Till next time. Stay safe. Bye!